So you're ready to start your YouTube channel right now in 2020 and you're not sure where to begin? Don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm gonna help you set up your channel the right way the first time so that you are optimized and you're ready to start bringing in those subscribers. Let's get going. I'm the content creator's best friend. I'm here to simplify video creation for you so that you can get back to what's most important in your business and brand. Today, I have a great one for you. We're talking all about setting up your YouTube channel. And the reason I wanted to redo this type of content is because I have a few clients that are great on blog posts and they're great with Facebook and stuff, and they're just starting to add YouTube to their content strategy. So maybe they are present on other platforms, but YouTube is an enigma and they are a little afraid to get started on there. I'm gonna take you through everything from starting your channel to everything that you need to know for the front end of your channel. And that's everything that your viewers are gonna see in this video today. I have a few more videos coming out in this series where I'm gonna show you the back end and everything that you can do to save time and optimize your channel, as well as just moving forward and the worksheets that I think that will really help you with nailing down the vibe and the target audience for your content. If you are enjoying this content, please subscribe and hit that bell. And let me know in the comments below, are you starting out on YouTube? Is there anything that's a little scary and you're not sure about? Let me know and I would love to answer your questions. If you're ready to get started with YouTube, give me a thumbs up and let's go. Before we dive into my computer though, I have something special for you guys. This is my 24-page workbook. There's step-by-step guides with little arrows even. I mean, this is dummy proof. So step-by-step guides, there's checklists, there's worksheets. There's so much value in here, and this is all about starting out on YouTube right now. Now, a lot has changed, so if you're looking at some older videos on YouTube on how to set up your YouTube channel, just so you know, they have changed quite a few things. YouTube Studio has been updated. Even their upload strategy and platform has been updated. So I have all the brand new ways that YouTube is doing things in this workbook, and it's free. So go ahead and grab it from the link below. Print it out or don't. It's a PDF so you can keep it on your computer and keep it with you. There's a few pages that you can fill in, but the rest is gonna be step-by-step guides to help you get on the right track and set up your YouTube channel the right way the first time. Now we're gonna talk about how to do all the front end stuff for your channel. Let's go. Okay guys, we are inside my computer and I'm gonna show you guys everything that you need to know for setting up what your viewers see, and that's basically this end. So if you're curious about something on the back end, don't worry, I've got a video coming out for you on that. If you haven't actually set up a channel yet, I have all that step-by-step in the workbook, so be sure to grab that. So hopefully I'm starting this video with the assumption that you at least have set up your channel, which means you have a Gmail account attached to it and you've started your channel. If you don't know though, I do have like step-by-step, and this is all the new stuff. I went through the process again to set up a channel just so I could see what YouTube's up to, and it's new from the last time I set up a channel. So I made sure to print out I gave you all the screenshots so you know exactly what you need to do to set up the channel. Once your channel is set up, I'm going to show you how you're going to make it pretty and make it branded and everything you need to know there. So let's dive in. First of all, we are going to add this header. You have to have a header and you have to have an icon for a lot of features in YouTube. So make sure that you have a header. Inside the workbook, I have a template for this header. The reason I have a template is because this is one of the most frustrating things for new YouTubers, because the size is like weird. And I have it in there. So it gives you all the sizes of where your text is going to be okay and any pictures, but it does have to be this big, even though on a desktop, you're only seeing this strip. Template is inside the workbook. Don't forget that. Okay, so you are going to come here to customize channel right here, this button. Anything you see that your audience sees. So if you go to incognito window and you go look at your channel, everything that you want to show them is inside customize channel. So click customize channel. Now you can hover over this and you'll see those pencils show up. Without hovering, they're not going to be there. So hover over, you can change your icon here with that pencil. You can change your header and these links. You see these links? This is how you're going to do it here. So let's just say I want to change my links. So I'm going to hit that, and they are down here. So I have my website, I have my Facebook, this is my group, and then I also have my Twitter and my Instagram. This is also where you're going to add your description for your channel. And I want you to think about your description as something that is more geared towards your audience and less about you. Let them know exactly what they can expect content-wise, what they're gonna get out of it. Are they gonna be entertained? Are they gonna learn something? What are they gonna get out of watching your channel and subscribing to your channel? And then you can also add any fun links. So if you have a funnel that you want to add here, that's what I would do here. You can add your contact email right here. And then you could add your country. All of this is laid out in the workbook. So if this is too fast, you can pause the video, get the workbook, and go off the workbook. I would also suggest you have 5 links here. So if you have a website, that's great. But I also would suggest your funnel. Whatever your freebie is, add it here so that you can start gaining your subscribers to your email as easily as possible. So that's how you're going to do that. Let's go back up here and make sure you can add your channel art. It's as easy as drag and drop, guys. As soon as you go to customize channel and hover over, go to that pencil, it's as easy as drag and drop, or you can upload your files. So eventually I have some new branding to unveil on my channel, and I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing it soon. So that takes care of this, and these links right here, as well as your about section. So the next thing I want to show you is your 4 returning subscribers and your 4 visitors. Now your 4 visitors is where you're going to put your channel trailer. And I have a really great just system for creating a channel trailer. I try to stick to under 2 minutes for that. But I have a video on my channel about that as well. If you want to know how to create the best channel trailer, I will link it in the description below and in the card. Again, you can't get to this section to change this until you go back to that blue button, customize channel. This is where I put anything, maybe the newest upload or an upload that I think is doing really well or maybe needs more views. You can use this section for anything. This is for the people who are already subscribed to your channel. That should give you an idea of what you want to put here, and you can update that regularly. And then for visitors, of course, I have a channel trailer, which is going to be updated soon. So be on the lookout for that. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see it. So this is where you add your channel trailer. Again, you're going to get a little edit pencil. The thing here, and I'll show you guys, once I say change channel trailer, for you, it'll say, there will actually be a button over the thumbnail right there, and it'll say upload channel trailer or whatever, or pick channel trailer. The thing is, it has to already be on your channel. You cannot upload a file to this space. So what that means is you're going to have to do your very first upload as your channel trailer and make sure it's on your channel, and you can set it as unlisted. That's totally fine. But upload your channel trailer to your YouTube channel, and then it will appear here, and you'll be able to pick from anything in your channel as your channel trailer. Finally, the last thing I wanted to show you guys, as we're here, I want to show you guys these fun things. These are your sections. Now, the reason why this is important is, as you can see, there's only 4 of my most recent videos here, and people will have to do scrolling in order to see more. If you don't have sections on your homepage, then you will only have 4 videos. Even if you had 30 videos total on your channel, your audience will only be able to see 4, and then they'd either have to scroll or come over here to your videos tab and find the rest of your videos. So this is a great way to section out your content. I like telling people to go ahead and create their playlist before they even upload, so they know kind of what content they should be creating to fill out those playlists. And now if someone's coming to my channel and they want just camera confidence, they can just go through this entire playlist and they're not having to search for the content. It's already there ready for them. The way that you make these is really simple. First, you have to make a playlist, which is in the back end. It is not in the front end. But once your playlist is created, then we can come over here and add a section. And then you're going to come and do single playlist. And I have a whole video on just this topic. So if you need more detail, I've got that there. And then you're at my playlist.
And then any of the playlists you have created, you can add right here. Now, if you want to move a playlist from the bottom, because it will always show up right at the bottom, but maybe you want to move it to the top, these little arrows will help you. And again, I will link the whole video that I did on sections to give you the whole lowdown on that, because that was really fast. But don't forget to grab your free workbook. It has everything you need for setting up your channel. And I know this video was fast, so be sure to grab that and you'll have everything you need for the front end. I'm going to do another video on the back end that you need for your channel and how to do an upload. But all of that, if you want to get started on that and you're not willing to wait for the next video, go ahead and download that free workbook and you'll be set. It's all there.
I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to help you with that. And of course, like I said, there are so many wonderful things in. I just packed this 24 pages with so much value on step-by-step how you're going to go through your channel setup. So if you missed anything from this video, I'm telling you, it's all in that workbook. I didn't miss anything. So be sure to grab that and stay tuned for the next couple of videos. I have videos coming out for the back end and how you're going to optimize that, as well as content. So I hope that you stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys next week.